How to take a high quality selfie using Android camera. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, drag up the app list and launch the camera application on your device. As you launch the camera application, here you can see this particular rolling icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So you can simply tap it on the front camera. As you do that, simply select on the different option that pops at the top of the screen. So if you want any sort of flashlights, you can simply tap on the top left corner and select on the flashlight option. Now, if you want HDR quality, you can tap on HDR options over here, whichever is more convenient. And if you want to have AI camera that clicks your picture, tap on AI option and toggle it on. Now, if you tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, you'll be able to see different settings. So you can select the aspect ratio at the top of the screen, whereas you can have timer from 0, 3, 5 to 10 seconds. Here you can see the movie frame, you can see the grid lines and so on. So you can make your settings according to your preference and then simply click a picture. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.